This is the Sigma 30mm f1.4 lens. In this video, I will do a quick unboxing and put it on the camera and show you some pictures and footage. Let's get started. The filter size is 52mm. It's quite heavy for this size. This is the lens hood. Let's put this on the camera. Now let's check the autofocusing. Come back. Actually, it's not bad. And then I will show you some pictures and footage shot by the Panasonic GH5 and the 30mm f1.4 lens. Hopefully you'll find this video helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.